One, two, three, and four. Count what you have now. Don't count what you don't have. Count what you have now. Don't count what you don't have. Find that you have so much. 頑張りすぎる自分に疲れてふと泣けてきた真夜中のバスルームでまだ手にしたことのない幸せがどこかにある気がして焦るのは年のせい一人楽しく生きてきたの何一つ悔やんでないけど曇った鏡のように明日が見えない Can't you see, can't you see 自由と孤独は二つでセット気ままなほど寂しさもついてくるDon't you know, don't you know 隣の芝生が青く見えたらこの庭に花を植えればいい
Hello everyone, welcome to the stream, welcome A, that is a great name, and welcome Worty Fire, welcome to the stream. And I think we're just going to get straight into it, working on this clock mod again. And so, let's do that. So, I think we'll just get straight into it. I think the idea is we just want to create an alarm. Right, so... Oh, I don't know what I've just done. Oh, what have I just done? I don't know what I've just done. I think I've just broken. Oh no, there we go. Trying to put my chat in the right place, but it's just undocked itself, which is lovely. Oh well, who needs it dock, right? Oh, wait, there we go. There we go, that was weird. So yeah, let's go straight into alarms. Yep, long chat. Yeah, I don't know, it's goofy. OBS goofy. So yeah, let's try and create an alarm. I'm not sure exactly how I want to do this. So I need to figure that out. Let's go to the screen first of all. Let's do that. There we go. Let's let this all load. Because I haven't opened this project in a hot minute. As you can see, there's been a new IntelliJ update recently. I don't know exactly when it happened, but I only got it today. which has done this weird gradient thing up here. I don't really know why, but they have. So that's nice, I guess. And it also means I can see this file menu up here when I click on the 3 dots, which is very handy. Regardless, let's figure this out. So my idea is that when you first open the GUI of the clock, it brings up like a menu that allows you to select what you actually want to do. Because currently it just brings you into the whole time zone changing thing, which maybe isn't ideal. So I think if I actually make this a different screen, and then have a screen that opens this screen, that's my idea. So I think that's what I'll do. Let's see, what does this do? That pops that, okay. That's fine. So I'm going to create a new screen. Or actually, I'm going to rename this one. I'm going to rename this Digital Clock Time Zone Screen. Then I'm going to create a new digital clock screen. Oh. Oh my god, what just happened there? Let's create the constructor. I don't know what is happening today. My typing is definitely not with it. I'm just going to copy this, actually. That would be helpful. Hello, man meme. Welcome to the stream. There we go. Usual stuff, right? And I'm also actually going to copy this. Like that. And these two. And we'll set these in here. So this dot's image width is 176. This dot image height 166. And we can adjust those later if that's not actually the correct size. So my idea is that we have like 2 buttons. So I'll just say button. And this will be like alarm button. And then also another button for the time zone button. And then you just select between them, basically. That's what I'm thinking. Let's just do the left pause and top pause as well. So I hate that you have to do this every single time for GUIs that aren't containers. That's why I want to make my own kind of abstracted library, so it kind of does this boilerplate stuff for me. That would be super nice. Okay, what do we want after that? We want the render method. And we want to start off by rendering the background. So we just pass in the UI graphics to that. And also, hopefully, I should have a tutorial coming out on this exact thing very soon. Well, on, you know, GUIs. So hopefully that should be interesting. That should be Friday's video. Although I haven't recorded it yet. I'll probably do that tomorrow. But that is the plan. And GUI digital clock. Also, I wanted to figure out how to get chat on the actual screen, like on the actual stream. But I don't know how to do that. I think I have to use like Streamlabs or something. I'm not sure. I'll see if I can figure that out before the next stream. Anyways. What was it? 0, dot image width. Dot image height. Copy the URL of the chat window and paste into OBS. There's a URL for the chat window. Oh, there is. Let me see. I'm just going to quickly see if I can get this to work. Oh, fancy. I mean, that works. It's not really what I was looking for, but yeah, I was kind of looking for something a little bit more stylized. I'm not sure. Also, do you think I should move my webcam back to the bottom left? I wanted to add a border for my webcam as well, but I completely forgot about that. I only just remembered I wanted to do that. Hello Lomorph, by the way. Welcome to the stream. I assume it took you so long because you weren't subscribed. I would not be surprised if that was the case. So, yeah, I'll figure out all the stream stuff hopefully by Friday. But I say by Friday because I intend to stream on Friday. Or maybe tomorrow. Maybe I'll stream tomorrow. I don't know. I need to come up with a schedule at some point for streaming. Okay, what did I do in here? I did that. Okay. What am I calling this? This is the alarm button. Just alarm button, sure. A dev competition stream between a few devs? I mean, what would that even mean? Like, how would that even work? I mean, it sounds interesting, but I just don't really know how that would work. I mean, I don't know, maybe. It could work, I suppose. Let's change these all to the correct thing, because these are now, I want these to be the part of the time zone, so... That'll do. Oh, my nose is so itchy. I don't know why. Super itchy today. And then what do you do for the on press? So on press, yes. Let's create a quick method for that, I suppose. So void on alarm button. Is that what I did in here? Yeah. Try and keep some consistency, you know. There we go. And then we want to do your side, or I think bounds is the way. Yeah. We'll just do left pos plus 20. For now, this doesn't really matter, so we can move this all around later. We'll start with a 32 by 32 as well. Anything else you need to do for this? There is the tooltip, isn't there? Did I do the tooltip for these ones? Tooltip to create. Okay, I see. Can you make a tutorial on how to mod furniture into the game? I mean, furniture is a very broad topic, right? Like, furniture could be anything. So, I mean, if you just mean like custom block models, that's super easy, if that's what you mean. Haven't I already even done a tutorial on that? I don't know. I don't think so. Not in 1.20, I don't think. Let's see if I can actually get Copilot to generate the time zone button. Ugh, it just copy-pasted the exact same position. Actually, it copy-pasted everything. That's extremely unhelpful. And also, yeah, that's not right. So, alarm. Do that, and then for the position, maybe like 60. Oh, that's also. Oh, wait. Oh, it didn't put the same position. It added 40 to that. I was actually kind of hoping it would be the other way around. But I don't really know how I want this to look right now. So that'll do for now. Let's just do this.minecraft dot first GUI layer. That's and then make sure I do this dot renderables, or this dot. Isn't there a listeners thing? No, what's it called? There's a variable for the all of the widgets, and I've completely forgotten what it's called. Because I know you got the renderables, which are here. Oh, maybe I'm thinking of container screens. Oh no, I'm not. I'm thinking of children. Now, is there a method to get the children? Guessing not. Oh, there you go. The children. Four. Apparently you can't do that. Okay. I could try and do that for the renderables though. It's not renderables, but... Nope, can't do that for that either. Okay, never mind. Maybe I don't need to do that anyways, because I think it would actually delegate the clicking to the front screen anyways, wouldn't it? So... Okay, what does this take in? That takes in a position. That does mean this would also need to take in a position, which is fine. When is the block entity set? I see. Okay. Oops, I already did that. Do that, let's do that. Just clean this up a little bit. Upload position. There we go. And then just do stop position. Now, I need to make sure I do is pause screen and return false. And then got the digital clock alarm screen. Will that need the position? I would say yes. Probably. Now, just for the sake of it, I'm going to say button dot... No, I'm not. I think it'll be fine. It'll be fine. That's those. So they're added as renderable widgets. Everything good. Looks good. Unclose, so that pops the thing. Should be good. Okay, let's create the alarm screen. And I'm actually going to copy the time zone screen. But it's not going to be quite exact. So this will be alarm. I'm going to get rid of these. That's alarm. That's alarm. Going to get rid of all of these. No, not all of those. My bad. Need to keep those. Get rid of these. And get rid of these. Get rid of those. And those. And that's... fine, fine, fine. Everything looking good, I believe. Let's go ahead and actually test this out, though. I'm just going to make sure I set the screen correctly in here. Like that. Now, I do need to adjust these textures. So this is the digital clock time zone. Wait, no. Did that mess up this? So that's fine, but this one. Okay, no, that's fine. I thought it messed it up. But it didn't. There we go. So let's go with paint on that. And let's open that up. Or not. There we go. Now we want 176 by 166. So it literally just needs to move in these four. One, two, three, four. That's 176 by 176. So I just need to move the bottom up by 10. And let's see, so that's 176 by 166. I'm going to go digital clock. And I'm also going to do the exact same for the alarm. Let's go 176 by 166. Okay. Let's see what this does. And actually, just to make sure everything works fine, I'm going to draw a string. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that in here as well. Because then we know we're looking at the right screen. So this is the... And I don't need to do that for the time zone screen because obviously we know what that one looks like. Hopefully this all works. Just go take a peek. Alright. So hopefully... Okay. So we'll open alarm. Okay, and we'll open time zone. Now in theory I should still be able to set a time zone and it should work without closing the whole GUI. So what is this one currently set to? It is Bahrain, so I'm going to set it to Algeria. And that has worked, and it keeps that there. Okay. Yep, and those are fine. Let me just check that. I can't click the buttons behind it. That's good. Oh, good. Let's just do these lang translations. Dot button dot back. So I want digital clock dot button dot back dot time zone. And then let's add these as well. UI.clockwise.digital underscore clock. Digital clock. UI.clockwise.digital clock.time zone. And GUI.clockwise.digital clock alarm. Now let's look at the buttons here. So digital clock.button.alarm.button.time zone. So I'll do that. Button dot time zone and alarm. What does it want to do after that, by the way? On. Okay, interesting. So let's just build and then we will reload. There we go. Alarm time zone. Okay, so we're going to have to increase the width of these. But that's fine, that's kind of expected, right? Change the height to 20. Change the width to 60. Okay. Sure. Let's just do left pause plus Mr. Image width -20. Oh right, -20, negative, so -80. There we go. So now those are both pretty much centered. Obviously that digital clock text isn't maybe exactly what it should be. First let's set the color. Do 8 and 12, or is it? Might be 8 and 8. I always forget. Is that right? That doesn't look like the right color, if I'm being honest. Does that look right? That is right, isn't it? Interesting. Fair enough. So I have alarm here, time zone here. And I'm thinking some kind of like on button here. Let's just first of all like move these down a little bit. So maybe 25. We'll go 24 to keep with the theme. Yeah, let's just down a little bit further, which is better. Let's just fix the alarm as well, so that's using the correct font and everything. Obviously, this should actually be using the title. And actually same here as well, so title. I'm going to put that in here as well. So there we go. That's obviously not really worked for the time zone one though. Yeah, maybe the alarm and the time zone don't need that on second thought. So I think we know what those are. There we go, I've got the alarm, time zone. So let's do the alarm. Now, what do we want the alarm to be? Good question. Okay, I think maybe it should be like a scroll panel of alarms, like plural. So there'll be multiple that you could set. What do you guys think? Do you think it should just be a singular alarm? Do you think it should be a list of alarms? I think a list of alarms might be better, but it does make it more complicated, of course. So let's say a private scroll panel, or ideally a custom scroll panel. And we'll say this.scroll panel. Width, height. Yeah, so that can't be instantiated, which is fine. I'll just create a public class alarm scroll panel. Hello, Elredstonio. I still don't know how to say your name. I mess it up every single time. But welcome to the stream. And in here, I'll just do... Actually, I created specific widgets for this one, didn't I? I think I'm going to do the same here. Do that, there we go. So I have our super constructor, will just be Minecraft instance there. And we'll have narration priority. What do I set for that? Focused. I don't really know what this means. That's what I'm gonna do. Just fix those. There we go. Now, we're pretty much just gonna copy paste this. I don't know why that's formatted so weirdly. Hello, Travis the Frog. Welcome to the stream. I'm going to copy all of this. Hopefully that's fine. I shouldn't need to change too much. We'll need that, but that needs to be that, and also no, that's fine. Actually, that does need to be that. This needs to be digital clock alarm screen, like that, and like that. That's fine. That's fine. That's countries, so we'll need to change everything country related to obviously alarm. I think I'm going to create a public class alarm, and this will just be some kind of Pojo class, so private, like string name, and a private I'm just gonna have like a long millies, I think. Does that sound reasonable? I'll just go epoch second. I'll have enabled some kind of repeating, so be boolean. But I would have like some kind of like private loop info or something, or repeats, something like that. Playing Stumble Guys? What is Stumble Guys? Do you mean Fall Guys? Or do I not know what Stumble Guys is? I've never heard of that before. What else does an alarm need? Oh, right, the not ringtone, but like sound, I guess. So in terms of sound, that's going to be something that's going to have to be custom. So I'm just going to create like a private sound info. Just create the constructor. Now, ideally, there would be actually a builder for this. So let's do that. So let's do public static class builder. Now, builder will need a name and a long epoch second. Enabled is true, repeat info, set those up. And I'll just do disable. Let's enable is false. In fact, I'll do it as a boolean because maybe you wanted to do that for whatever reason. So let's allow you to create some kind of repeat info builder. There we go, and then that should be the alarm. Now let's create some getters. Now I should maybe say epoch should be final. So you can't change the time of the alarm. Maybe you can't change the name too. But maybe these three things should be modifiable. That, do that, and do that. Okay, so the idea is you have, instead of a list of string, just a list of alarm. Which will be, do I want filtering though? I'm thinking maybe you can only have 5 alarms per clock. I think that would be reasonable. In which case there doesn't really need to be any kind of filtering. That doesn't really make sense. So let's just get rid of those. And actually, it would be beneficial to get that from something. Let's create a new package for data. I'm just going to create alarm in there. Let's put data inside of util. And I'm going to move all of this inside of here. Okay. And I'll create the sound and repeat info in a second. And a list of alarm. How old am I? I am 19. I don't know if that's shocking or not, but yes, I am 19. There we go. And that has all the alarms there. Content height will be this dot alarms dot size times 16. Basically, all of these will just be Just alarms. Alarm. Alarm. Do that. Just a bunch of renaming really here. I don't think I need to worry about scrolling. I'm actually wondering whether this should even be a scroll panel. Because if there's only ever going to be 5 entries... Yeah, this doesn't need to be a scroll panel. Okay, let's just extend... What's it called? Object selection list. There you go. That'll be a type alarm. Add the super. Implement the methods. Implement the methods. Implement the. You want all of them? How many methods do you want? Okay, why is it only letting me implement the single method? Why is it not just implementing all of them? Oh, it's not happy about get focus. It doesn't want all of these. Yeah, so it wants get focused in abstract selection list clashes with get focused in abstract container event handler. Attempting to use incompatible return type. Huh? You good, bro? What implementations of this are there? This doesn't implement get focused though. Oh, does it need to? No, it's a class. So there's no even abstract methods in here. Hello Scriptique, welcome to this stream. Alarm, let's call this the alarm display panel. What is happening? Let's just go into this. Oh, E needs to extend entry. Which extends GUI event listener. I see. Damn. That's fine. We can just do public static class alarm entry. Extends object selection list dot entry. What does this ask for? What? It asks for an object that takes in itself. It's a bit weird. So does it need to be like alarm entry? Let's just see. Let's go like that. It does. That's super jank. But nice to know. Do that. There you go. You gonna stop complaining now? Okay, let's see what the super asks for. So we've got width, height, y0, y1, and then item height. Width, height, y0, y1, entry height. Now we know the entry height is going to be 16, so I can just inline that. I don't know what these y0 and y1s are, so let's go back into here again. Look at the implementations. We'll go biome list again. -40, and then it's height -37. Okay, I'll just do 40. Oh, I see, because it needs the height and then negative that. So we're talking like, we'll just go 100 and we can change it later. Okay, get narration. What are we doing for get narration? That's in the entry, yeah? Okay. So this is going to want a private final alarm. Something like that. This.alarm.getName. What's this boolean? Boolean. Whether or not it's hovered. Okay. And to keep convention, because we need to keep convention, we'll go p hovered. Alright. I keep closing the biome list, which I want to keep open because it's helpful to see. I'm actually going to put it on my other monitor so I can see it at a quick glance. So in render, I just want to, just draw the string basically. So draw a string, this dot Minecraft. I hate that. Oh wait, no. Oh, it's this that has that. So can I do alarm display panel dot this? Minecraft.font. There you go. Let's do that. Left +4, top +4. We'll do 5 and 2, which is exactly the same as what the biome list does. And 0xFFF, yeah, that's fine. That's just white. Let's do mouse clicked. If the button is equal 0, so that means if it's mouse button 1. I think there's actually a constant for that. Input constant, mouse button left. There you go. So everywhere mouse button left, then we're just going to do private void set selected, and we're going to take in an entry. Do you like Dream as a Minecraft speedrunner? And are you in Dream SMP? Excuse me? You're asking if I'm in Dream SMP? No, of course I'm not in Dream SMP. Who do you think I am? That is crazy. And no, I do not like Dream either. Just because I think he's kind of cringe. And also, he reverse face revealed, which, like, what on earth? Actually, I don't not like him, I just don't like him. So I have a neutral feeling towards him, if you will. Okay, I need to pass in the screen here. Private final screen, there we go. Okay, nice, and then I can just do like here, or in set selected, I mean. Super set selected. Selected is not null. I've been a subscriber for 4 years now. Used to be called something else, but glad to see you're as passionate as ever. That is great. I guess. Yeah, that's great. 4 years? Let's see, 4 years. What was I doing 4 years ago? Should we have a look? 4 years ago, so... Oops. That's not 4 years ago. 4 years ago was the start of my 1.12 stuff. That's kind of crazy. If you were really around back then. I'm not gonna lie, I struggle to believe that. Because that was so long ago. But, yeah. That is pretty cool, if true. Huge if true, as they say. Update button validity. You've been a sub for 5 years? Okay, I don't believe that. That's not true. Yeah, that's not true. If you're a sub for 5 years, that means you would know what the channel used to be called. And I don't think many people know what the channel used to be called. Set selected alarm. Yeah, that's fine. We'll create that in there actually. Do I need a selected alarm though? I guess so. I remind you of Technoblade. Interesting. I've never watched Technoblade, so I don't know if that's an accurate representation or not. I would assume not. This dot left pause plus 8 and this dot top pause plus 8 2, and we'll figure that out. Oh, that's the width and the height. Wait, what is it? Oh, it is. Oh. Okay. In that case, we'll just try 40 and like 60. What am I missing? Alarm display panel required time. Oh, right. Just do that. Alarm display panel. He died. Yes, I am definitely aware of that information. And I'm also aware that he was a Minecraft player. I have just never watched it. Because I don't watch many Minecraft YouTubers, because most of them are very, very, very cringe. So, yeah, I just don't watch them. Oh god, okay, sure. Would this not Minecraft ever be null? Probably not. But I'll do it anyways, just in case. Start alarm button, this or time zone button. Fine. That's fine. I realise I've closed this somehow. So get child at, what are we doing for that? Do I need that? I don't need that. Lovely. Saves me some effort, doesn't it? I see. I need to do here this dot screen to update button validity. Then create that method. Now in here I want 2 buttons. I want a button, wrong button. Is that actually imported that or not? I want that button, there you go. And I want add button, edit button, remove button. So okay. So what I can say is if I update button validity, if this dot, what am I looking for? This dot alarm is not equal null, then edit button and remove button are true, else edit button and remove button is false. false. But then obviously this dot add button should be false, and this dot add button should be true. Imagine all Minecraft players were watching this. Well, why would they be doing that? This is coding. I'm pretty sure this is not going to be relevant to 99% of Minecraft players. They would get very bored very quickly. There you go, so not null, and then okay, let's actually do just boolean as selected, and then I can just actually say that not has selected, and count is less than 5. Oh, it's protected. What are you programming? I am programming a clock, or more specifically, what's going on here? Okay. More specifically, an alarm clock right now. So I'm making it so you can set an alarm on the clock, and yeah, you can obviously edit alarms, add alarms, etc. Basic stuff for an alarm clock. We've already got the clock here, as you can see. Also, you can open it, you can change the time zone and whatever. Through all the, you select a country, you then select the time zone. Boom, clock changes time. And the idea is you'll be able to set an alarm in here, but I haven't done that yet. But that should be fairly easy. I think we're almost done, honestly, with the actual like core rendering of it. I subbed on 8th of December 2020. Yeah, that's not quite 4 years ago. Not quite 3 years ago, actually. That's like, what, 2.5 years? Well, 2 years and... yeah, 2.5 years, actually. Just under 2.5 years. Yeah. No, just over 2.5 years. I can't count. Anyways. What's 9 plus 10? 48. Okay, so that's that, and then that should be fine. I should just say here, size is greater than 1. Or greater than or equal to 1, I suppose. Is empty, yeah. Not empty. Nice. Edit button. Does that need to be there? No. Yes, that does. That's fine. And that doesn't need to do anything here, right? So let's create these buttons. Button. Let's start with the add button is equal to renderable widgets. Sure, that'll do. Whatever. No, actually that's not right, Copilot, because buttons don't work like that anymore, fortunately. Build us, we need the component and then bounds, yeah. I love that Copilot can do this stupid, boring stuff for me. Much appreciated. And let's create those methods, shall we, as well. Do that and then do that. I'll get rid of errors. Do we have any errors in here? No, so that should all be fine. Let's close that for now and close that for now. So we're just working with these two things. Yeah, we'll leave that there. Okay. All working. We'll do logic for these in a second. Stop block entity. Okay, that's set there. Let's add these to the lang real quick as well. So digital clock alarm block back. I actually want the add. Edit. Okay. Is that right? Yep, digital clock. Yeah, okay, that's all fine. It's actually not delete though. It's remove, isn't it? Who is my favorite Minecraft player? Didn't I already say that I don't watch Minecraft YouTubers? Because I wasn't lying. I do not watch any. I don't think. I don't think I do. The only Minecraft YouTuber I even remotely watch, and this is very rare, and that is IBX Toycat. Just if I need, you know, that good old update news. But I don't really watch him anymore either. Because, you know, why would I watch Minecraft if I don't play Minecraft? Oh, I do watch Fundy every time he does a video too, but that's quite rare. He does like, what, once every 3 months or something? And obviously I have the good old opportunity to brag that I'm friends with Fundy every time I get to bring him up. Always a great thing to brag about. Okay, so that's those buttons. Let's test this. Restart the game. Who was my childhood player? Let's see. I guess that depends. Because I used to watch it a lot. Alright, obviously this doesn't work, does it? I used to watch a lot of Minecraft stuff. So... And I went through several phases of who I watched. I think I would say I definitely started with Stampy Longhead or Stampy Longnose, whichever one you know, of course. That was like 2012? I don't know actually. Should we have a look? When did Stampy Longnose videos. Do his uploading. Or when did he start? Because I watched him when he started. Oh, he still posts? Wow, didn't even know.
Hello.
Let's see if I can find it. Let's see, 10 years ago, so that was 2013. I used to watch him. Probably up until 2015 though, I don't know. And then after that, probably mix of what, Dan TDM, Popular MMOs, SS Sunday, maybe. Up until like what, 2018? 16? 17? 17 probably. Oh, these have builders. Do I make £49 a month? No, I do not. But thank you for asking. Also, you know, I can see when you delete a message. It doesn't just disappear. So there is no benefit to you deleting a message. How do I want repeating to work? I don't know. I would have like a boolean for weekdays, I guess. Oh, why did I just do that? Repeat. No, let's just go like Monday. Right, I already told you how old I am earlier. I told you I am 19. So, 2004 is what you are looking to know. I stream all the time too, just nobody watches mine. I mean, the only reason people are watching mine, right, the only reason you guys are even seeing this is because I do already have, you know, subscribers. Otherwise, no one would be watching this. So it's like, streaming is hard if you don't already have an audience. Let's do that. I want to donate, but I'm broke because I spent £300 on a PC. I mean, that's fine. You don't have to donate. I mean, if you did, obviously, that would be much appreciated, but I would never force anyone to donate. Only because I say that I personally could not afford to donate to anyone. So, I understand why people do not. It seems like such a silly builder. I'll probably make a better way to do this whole thing. Even just like an array of booleans would be better. For now, this will do though. Okay, that'll do. Go private static, fine, private, please. There you go. Repeat info. Dot none. Can I do that? Did I make it private? What is happening? There we go. Is it private? There you go. Builder takes in an alarm. Let's do this then. If I was a dream, what would you say? If you were a dream? What? What do you mean? Okay, I probably won't be streaming much longer, by the way, guys, because I started a lot later than I intended to today. So, we'll see. I just kind of want to get something working. And then we'll kind of go from there. Let's repeat info, that's alarm. So let's close those. You were the player. I would be very confused. Because why would Dream be watching this? I mean, that doesn't make any sense, even remotely. I know he does do coding, right? I think he used to make plugins or something. I don't know. I don't know the Dream lore, but I think it was something along those lines. I don't know if he still does, but I'm pretty sure he did. Or maybe, I don't know, someone could have told me that and I just believed it, not knowing whether it's true or not, but... I mean, if you're a Dream, to be honest, I would not treat you any differently than anyone else here. I mean, I think it's a bit odd to do that. Treat someone else differently just because they have a big number attached to their name. I mean, I don't know, that's just me, but... Oh, what's going on here? Okay, this kind of worked. Let's add the getter for the left pauses. So like get left pause, get top pause. How do you define the X position though? So X is set to 0 and then X1 is the width. Why though? Right? Like that's super weird. Let's just do this. That'll be easier if I just let it do that. Oh, that failed to hot swap. Why? Why did that fail? Oh, because I added this, right? This music is so goddamn goofy. There we go. Good Wii music. Okay. Interesting. Y1 is Y0 plus height. You got the item height there. Got plus 24. Let's try plus 8. Weird. This left pause plus 8. This top pause plus 8. And then that's plus height. Height is 60. Let's just try that. Didn't change anything. Try this. Whoa. What is going on? Seems like the X and Y are like inverted? Your dad is making fun of mocking you for no reason. Well, that's nice. Telling me he's a very nice guy. Interesting. Why? Okay, let's just maybe render it ourselves. Let me just come in here again. Render the background. I don't really want it to do that. Okay, so let's at x0, y0, x1, y1. He is making fun of me? That's very cringe. I mean, what does he gain from doing that? Right? That's my question. People that make fun of other people, right? What do they gain from it other than exposing their own insecurities? Because generally, that's what they're doing, right? They're covering up their own insecurities. But if you're doing that from behind a screen, I mean, that is a whole nother level. But then if you're doing that to your son, to someone behind a screen, I mean, that's several levels, I ain't gonna lie. But he can do him. It's up to him. I mean, I don't really care, right? It doesn't actually affect me because he's saying it to you, presumably. So that doesn't affect me, does it? Can you not spam, please? Okay, let's so render background. Oh, I see. So that's there, but because it's but scissor doesn't happen before render background. Oh, render background isn't the same render background, is it? No, it's not. Okay, I see. And then it blitzed background location width. X0, Y1 negative, Y0. I'm obviously making a silly mistake, right? So where is this constructed? In here and in here. So let's go in here. Find usages. Let's look at this. Sure. So you have the width and the height, which is both passing the width and the height of the screen. Does that make sense? I suppose so. And then it's passing 32 and the height negative 64. I think this clearly isn't designed to work for something outside of that normal range. So I think instead of using an object selection list, I might just make my own component for this and do that all myself. But I think that's probably enough for this stream. Just because it's getting a little bit late. And we have been going for 1 hour 40, so that's fine. Unfortunately, we haven't actually got that much done. Obviously, this is an absolute mess. I would like to fix this mess, though. I'm just confused by why the Y is affecting the X, right? So if I do that, you can see the X is affected by the Y position, which doesn't really make sense. So that's the X0, Y0. What if I do like that? Nothing. That? Oh, why did that fail? Alright, because compilation issue, but... So now that just puts it up there. what if I do screen.top plus height? That puts it down there. What if I just do height there? Okay, what if I do height times 2? Just gotta figure out what it's actually doing. Oh, I see. Oh. Okay. I understand. Yeah, this isn't going to work how I want it to work, unfortunately. I'm going to have to make my own selection list, which really is not that complicated, right? I mean, there's a lot in here. I think a lot of this is just overcomplicated. Yeah, I would say so. Ugh. So I'm not going to use any of that. Not just rewrite that. Probably in between this stream and the next stream, which I am planning to be tomorrow, by the way. But we'll see about that. But yeah, obviously, I think that's enough for this stream. So, I hope you guys enjoyed, I suppose. I know it was obviously shorter than usual. Only, well, under 2 hours, really. But yeah, I think that's fine, really. So yeah, obviously I'll see you all in the next stream. And yeah, goodbye.